My name is Dave, and I love computers. You know, when I was a kid, computers were still new, especially home computers. And they were so simple that adults and kids could learn about them at the same time. There was such enthusiasm about computers at the time that you could even find computer programming magazines in grocery stores, like this one. My mom subscribed me to that magazine, and I got 9 years of it. Fast forward to today, I got a good job, a great life, and I'd like to think that magazine had something to do with it. But as a kid, my focus wasn't on career or money. It was on having fun and figuring things out. And I want your kids to have the same opportunity to learn and have fun with computers that I had. Problem is, computers today are complicated. So I built a website, ClubCompy.com, that simulates the simplistic computer of the 80s, and it's fun to work. They'll be making games instead of just playing them, and learning math and science topics along the way. And heck, kids love getting things in the mail. What a great gift! You know, computers are in everything these days, and yet most kids learn nothing in school about how they really work. Word processing doesn't count. Your kid's future will be so enriched by an early exposure to computer programming concepts. Just learning the computer keyboard early on as a kid will bring benefits. Think about it. Having your kids train themselves to focus for lengths of time on computer projects will help them in so many ways in school and beyond. Please join me in my kids' computer learning mission. Here's the rewards I'm offering for your help on my Kickstarter campaign. You may recall earlier when I said kids love getting things in the mail. What a great gift! Well, the service we're offering with ClubCompy is two things, a website and a companion paper magazine. The magazine will have ready-to-type computer programs that the kids can type in to make games and other interesting applications on the computer. For our first year of ClubCompy, we will publish 4 issues of the magazine, one for every 3 months. Now, the best parts of the website will always be free to anyone with an internet connection to access. The hitch is that people cannot save their work unless they have a copy of the latest magazine issue. Every magazine will have an access code printed on the front of it that serves as the key to unlock the save feature on the website. Up to 50 people can share the access code on each magazine, so the ClubCompy magazine will be good to go in public libraries. We're going to add a permanent Easter egg on the ClubCompy shell that, when typed in, will express our eternal gratitude by listing the names of our $100 donors. With $100, you will also get a 1-year subscription to the ClubCompy magazine. When I created ClubCompy, I understood the importance of colors in computers, but I also had to keep the color system simple for the kids, so ClubCompy only has 256 vibrant, beautiful colors. I realized that I had a Crayola situation with this thing, and I started naming the colors. I tried to pick funny names or food names. It was a blast. Well, I realized I shouldn't hog all the fun, and I made it part of the plan that we would hold contests for the kids to name a color until they were all named. If you pledge $250, you will get everything the $100 donor gets, plus we will enter your name into a sweepstakes where 10 lucky winners will get to pick any open color in the color chart and give it a permanent name. Additionally, we wanted to give away something fun for the programmers out there. On the ClubCompy homepage, we have a marquee on the lower left that acts as a tease. It shows the kinds of fun programs that kids can write. If you have an idea for a fun or interesting program and would like to get that program shown in the marquee, when you pledge $250, you could submit one program to us and we will add it to the marquee for a year or more. We really liked what Mozilla did with the recent Firefox 3 beta promotional posters, and we'd like to produce something similarly good for ClubCompy. If you pledge $500, you will get everything the $250 donor gets, plus we will give you a choice. 1. We will commission and you will receive a signed copy of our first promotional poster. Or, if you don't like posters, 2, we will write for you a custom vanity ClubCompy program that you can post to your Facebook or website that features our retro graphics and charm. A big gap we have right now is that we are lacking a programmer's guide that is kid-friendly, comprehensive, and that can get them started on their computer programming adventure. If you pledge $1,000, you will receive everything the $500 donor gets, plus You will give us a huge boost in producing a programmer's guide, and we will give you a permanent acknowledgement in the front of the guide. So this one is a special deal for the high rollers out there. We know that ClubCompy could be a very useful tool for teachers, and we want to produce custom lesson plans for teachers to use in their science or math lessons. You could give us a huge boost towards that goal. If you pledge $5,000, we will work with a professional educator and produce a custom unit for an introduction to computer programming with ClubCompy for a grade range of your choice. We will deliver those materials as well as 10 one-year ClubCompy magazine subscriptions to the school of your choice. Finally, if you support the mission of ClubCompy but lack funds to help out more, you can leave us a little tip of $2. When we're successful with our Kickstarter campaign, we'll send you a thank you email. You know, competitiveness for your little ones in the workplace and the world will increasingly depend on their proficiency with computers. It is our sincere hope that ClubCompy will give them a meaningful start to their life of computing. Thanks again for watching. Tell all your friends and family about us, and please pledge today to our Kickstarter campaign.